Welcome. Find yourself a comfortable seated or lying position. Gently close your eyes when you're ready. Allow your hands to rest, palms up or down, whatever feels most natural. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and hold it for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let each exhale be a tiny release of tension. And take notice of the ground beneath you, supporting you exactly as you are. Now, shift your attention to your breath. Inhale, calm. Exhale, worry. With each breath, imagine drawing in a soft, steady light. As you exhale, imagine any tightness or racing thoughts dissolving into the air. Now, bring to mind one personal strength, perhaps kindness, creativity, or resilience. See that quality as a gentle flame glowing at the center of your chest. Feel its warmth radiating throughout your body with each heartbeat, reminding you of your capacity to face challenges. As anxious thoughts come up, label them kindly. Here's anxiety. Then return to that inner flame of strength. You're not your thoughts. You're the observer. And you have the power to choose where to place your focus. Let's cultivate gratitude. Recall a simple goodness from today. The taste of your morning tea, a friend's smile, the feel of sun on your skin. Allow a gentle smile to form as you hold that memory. Now feel gratitude as a lightness in your chest. With each inhale, draw that lightness in. With each exhale, let it wash through you, softening any lingering tension. Now imagine a place of ease, a serene beach, a quiet garden, or any space where you feel safe. Notice colors, textures, sounds. In this safe space, you have everything you need. Stay here for a few breaths, letting calm fill every corner of your mind. As we prepare to close, bring your awareness back to your breath, inhaling strength, exhaling ease. Remember that you can return at any moment to this place of calm and positivity. All right, gently wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, and when you're ready, open your eyes and keep carrying this sense of inner light and gratitude with you into the rest of your day.